Product description: a couple of years ago, the paleo diet burst onto the scene, and everybody and their neighbor was talking about it. There were the fanatics and the detractors. Despite all the opinions and debate, the paleo diet has repeatedly shown how effective it is for aiding in weight loss and improving your health in general. Even till today, the popularity of the paleo diet shows no signs of waning and is still extremely popular all over the world. Also known as the caveman diet, this is not an easy diet to follow. It's stringent and some foods are anathema to the diet. You're not allowed to consume processed foods, sugar, starches, dairy, etc. In fact, coping with the severe restrictions of the diet is the biggest hurdle most people will face when trying to go paleo. Since eating out will become next to impossible due to the restrictions, you'll need to do most of the cooking yourself. Here is where most people stumble. How do you find a substitute for sugar? Most ingredients that people are used to cooking with are processed. Finding substitutes that work with the diet is a nightmare. What you need is a good paleo cookbook to help you navigate this uncharted territory. Because of this desperate need, the PaleoHacks Cookbook has become an online bestseller. With thousands and thousands of copies sold and a long list of happy customers, this cookbook has proven that it's head and shoulders above all the rest. The testimonials all over the official site is social proof that this paleo cookbook is the real deal. Let's take a closer look and see if it's the right cookbook for you. The good points: 1. The biggest selling point of this product is the sheer number of recipes it has. With over 150 paleo recipes, there's something for every paleo eater here. The dishes are tasty and use ingredients that are allowed in the paleo diet. So, you'll